Welcome children in bio class. Children, today I am going to teach you enzymes used in DNA replication. Process of replication requires a set of catalysts. The catalysts in all living cells are called enzymes. The main enzymes in DNA replication is DNA dependent DNA polymerase. So it is called DNA dependent as it uses a DNA template to catalyze the polymerization of deoxynucleotides. There are many enzymes which are involved in the DNA replication. So the different enzymes are primase, helicase, topoisomerase, DNA polymerase, DNA ligase, repair enzyme. So first enzyme is primase. Primase helps in the formation of a primer. Primer is a short RNA segment that is formed on the DNA template before the replication can begin. It is absolutely essential. It polymerizes the complementary RNA building block A, U, G, and C in the primer. A stands for adenine, U uracil, G guanine, and C cytosine. Now next enzyme is helicase. So these helicase enzymes, these are special unwinding enzyme. Helicase enzymes help in breaking the weak hydrogen bonds which hold the two strands of DNA together. Now third enzyme is topoisomerase. These are the enzymes that can break and reseal one strand of DNA. Next is DNA polymerase. It can link with free DNA nucleotide to form the complementary strand of DNA. It polymerizes nucleotides in 5' to 3' direction only. The bacterial DNA polymerase can also do the proofreading. It can remove the wrong base and replace it by the correct one, thus ensuring the accuracy in replication. Next is DNA ligase. This enzyme can join together the short section of newly synthesized polynucleotide chain. DNA ligase puts the short pieces together after replacing the DNA primer with DNA. Now last enzyme is repair enzymes. There can be few errors during replication of DNA. Repair enzymes can cut off the wrong bases and replace them with correct ones. So children, I told here about the different enzymes which are involved in the DNA replications. So you learn the enzyme primase, helicase, topoisomerase, DNA polymerase, DNA ligase, and repair enzyme. And you have to understand what is the role of these enzymes and how they are helping in DNA replication.